I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed and start my day.
I get out of bed and start my day.
I stretch my arms and legs.
I stretch my arms and legs.
I open the curtains.
I open the curtains.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I tidy up my bedroom.
I tidy up my bedroom.
I splash water on my face.
I splash water on my face.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I rinse my mouth with salt water.
I rinse my mouth with salt water.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I apply sunscreen.
I apply sunscreen.
I put on makeup.
I put on makeup.
I apply lipstick.
I apply lipstick.
I spray perfume.
I spray perfume.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my email on my laptop.
I check my email on my laptop.
I meditate 10 minutes.
I meditate 10 minutes.
I do some exercises to stay fit.
I do some exercises to stay fit.
I do a yoga routine.
I do a yoga routine.
I go for a jog in the park.
I go for a jog in the park.
I take my dog for a walk.
I take my dog for a walk.
I water the plants in my garden.
I water the plants in my garden.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
I eat a healthy breakfast.
I eat a healthy breakfast.
I take my medication.
I take my medication.
I pack my lunch.
I pack my lunch.
I often call my family to check in.
I often call my family to check in.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I put on my jacket.
I put on my jacket.
I wear my hat.
I wear my hat.
I leave home at 7:45 a.m.
I leave home at 7:45 a.m.
I catch the bus to school at 8 a.m.
I catch the bus to school at 8 a.m.
I usually go to work at 8 a.m.
I usually go to work at 8 a.m.
I go to school on foot.
I go to school on foot.
I drive my car to work at 8:30 a.m.
I drive my car to work at 8:30 a.m.
I listen to music on my commute.
I listen to music on my commute.
I start studying at 8:30 a.m.
I start studying at 8:30 a.m.
I start working at 9 a.m.
I start working at 9 a.m.
I attend meetings.
I attend meetings.
I take a lunch break.
I take a lunch break.
I have lunch at 12 p.m.
I have lunch at 12 p.m.
I have a snack with my colleagues.
I have a snack with my colleagues.
I take a nap on the couch.
I take a nap on the couch.
I drink tea in the afternoon.
I drink tea in the afternoon.
I finish work by 6 p.m.
I finish work by 6 p.m.
I leave school at 4 p.m.
I leave school at 4 p.m.
I go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
I go shopping for groceries.
I go shopping for groceries.
I play games with my friends.
I play games with my friends.
I cook dinner for myself.
I cook dinner for myself.
I have dinner at 8 p.m.
I have dinner at 8 p.m.
I wipe the table after every meal.
I wipe the table after every meal.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I clean the stove.
I clean the stove.
I clean the sink.
I clean the sink.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I mop the floor.
I mop the floor.
I vacuum the floor.
I vacuum the floor.
I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
I dust the furniture.
I dust the furniture.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I watch TV in the evening.
I watch TV in the evening.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I feed the dog twice a day.
I feed the dog twice a day.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I floss my teeth every night.
I floss my teeth every night.
I get into my pajamas.
I get into my pajamas.
I read a book before bed.
I read a book before bed.
I charge my phone overnight.
I charge my phone overnight.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I fall asleep at 1 a.m.
I fall asleep at 1 a.m.